Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can set invite on iPhone calendar. So it's pretty simple. After you open the calendar app on iPhone, you want to go inside the event to where you want to invite people. So the event is on 8, so I will choose 8. And at the bottom it says new event because that's the event, so I will click on the event. Now over here at the top right corner you will see the option called edit. You need to click on edit. Once you're inside edit, you can see the option called invitees. Click on invitees. Once you click on invitees, over here you can write the name of the person or you can write the email of the person. Whatever thing you find easy, just write that. Once you write the name or the email of the person, click on plus. And if you click on plus, then it's going to give you the option to send an invite from your phone's list. So these are all the people who are on my contact. I can choose whoever I want and add them on this list as well. After all the people I want are added, I can click on done at the top. And as you guys can see right now, the email has been sent to this person, but I haven't received any response, which means he hasn't accepted or ignored it. So after he accepts it, he's going to be added on this list. Okay, so you can click on done and click on save for this event only, and the changes will be confirmed. So that is how you guys can send invite on iPhone calendar. Hit the subscribe to our channel. One step. I'll see you guys next time.